There was a time when crossing an ocean meant boarding a giant four-engine aircraft. The skies were ruled by massive jets like the Boeing 747, aircraft so large and powerful that airlines believed only four engines could safely carry passengers across the world. For decades, that idea defined aviation. Bigger meant safer. More engines meant more reliability. And no airline wanted to take risks when thousands of miles of empty oceans sat beneath their aircraft. But in the 1990s, Boeing introduced a plane that quietly changed everything. It had only two engines. Yet somehow, it could fly farther, carry hundreds of passengers, burn less fuel, and eventually replace many of the giant aircraft that once dominated the skies. That aircraft was the Boeing 777. And over time, it would become one of the most important airliners ever built. The story of the 777 begins during a period when aviation was rapidly changing. Airlines wanted aircraft that were cheaper to operate but still capable of carrying large numbers of passengers across continents and oceans. Fuel prices mattered more than ever. Competition between airlines was becoming intense, and the old generation of aircraft was beginning to show its age. Boeing already had successful aircraft like the 737, 747, and 767, but there was a gap in the market. Airlines needed something bigger than the 767 but more efficient than the 747. Airbus was also gaining power in the industry, and Boeing knew they could not afford to fall behind. Instead of designing the aircraft alone, Boeing did something unusual. They invited airlines directly into the development process. Engineers and airline representatives worked together to create an aircraft based on what pilots, mechanics, cabin crews, and passengers actually wanted. It was one of the first times a major aircraft manufacturer worked so closely with airlines during design. Every detail was analyzed. Pilots wanted better cockpit visibility. Airlines wanted lower fuel costs. Passengers wanted quieter cabins and more comfort during long flights. Boeing listened carefully, and slowly, the 777 began taking shape. The aircraft itself was revolutionary long before it even flew. The 777 became the first Boeing airliner designed entirely using computers. Previous aircraft still relied heavily on physical mock-ups and paper drawings, but the 777 entered the digital age. Engineers used advanced 3D computer modeling to design and test components virtually before the aircraft was even built. This reduced errors, improved efficiency, and changed how airplanes would be designed forever. In many ways, the 777 represented the beginning of modern aircraft development. Then there were the engines. Boeing needed engines powerful enough to convince airlines that a twin-engine aircraft could safely handle long-haul international routes. The result was extraordinary. The General Electric GE90 became one of the most powerful jet engines ever created. The engine was enormous. Standing next to it felt surreal. A person could practically stand inside the engine inlet. Its fan blades were larger than the fuselage of some small aircraft. But the size was not just for show. These engines delivered incredible power while remaining highly efficient, helping the 777 achieve ranges that once seemed impossible for a twin-engine aircraft. When the first prototype rolled out in 1994, the aviation world paid close attention. The aircraft looked modern, sleek, and massive. It was larger than the 767 yet more streamlined than the 747. Pilots immediately noticed another major innovation inside the cockpit. The 777 abandoned the traditional analog instruments seen in older airliners and introduced advanced digital displays. The cockpit felt futuristic compared to earlier Boeing aircraft. Fly-by-wire technology, which Airbus had already adopted, was now becoming part of Boeing's future as well. The plane still felt like a Boeing, but it was clearly a new generation. Then came the first flight. On June 12, 1994, the 777 lifted into the skies for the first time. Thousands watched as the aircraft climbed smoothly into the air. The test flight marked the beginning of one of the most extensive certification programs in aviation history. Boeing pushed the aircraft through brutal testing. Engineers intentionally stressed systems to their limits. They exposed the plane to freezing temperatures, high heat, extreme turbulence, and simulated failures. They wanted airlines to trust this aircraft completely. And eventually, they did. But perhaps the biggest challenge facing the 777 was not technical. It was psychological. For years, passengers and airlines believed 4 engines were necessary for long overwater flights. Twin-engine aircraft were restricted by ETOPS regulations, rules that determined how far a plane could fly from an emergency airport. Earlier twin-engine aircraft were not trusted enough to cross vast oceans freely. Boeing knew that if the 777 was going to succeed, it had to change that mindset entirely. The 777 helped redefine ETOPS. Thanks to its reliability, advanced systems, and powerful engines, regulators gradually allowed the aircraft to fly farther from diversion airports than almost any twin-engine aircraft before it. This changed aviation forever. Suddenly, airlines no longer needed huge 4-engine jets for many international routes. A twin-engine aircraft could now fly passengers across the Pacific Ocean safely and efficiently. Operating costs dropped dramatically. Fuel savings became enormous. Airlines realized they could make more profit using the 777 while still carrying large numbers of passengers long distances. And so, slowly, the balance of power in aviation shifted. The age of giant 4-engine dominance began to fade. Aircraft like the 747 and later the Airbus A380 remained iconic, but the economics increasingly favored efficient twin-engine jets. The 777 became one of the key aircraft responsible for that transformation. Passengers loved it too. The cabin felt spacious and modern. The aircraft was quieter than many older jets. Long-haul travel became more comfortable. Airlines around the world quickly adopted the aircraft. From Emirates to Singapore Airlines to British Airways, the 777 became a symbol of international travel. Airports worldwide filled with its unmistakable shape and massive engines. Over time, Boeing developed multiple versions of the aircraft. Some prioritized passenger capacity while others focused on ultra-long-range operations. The 777-200L pushed boundaries even further, capable of flying astonishing distances without stopping. In 2005, a 777-200L completed one of the longest flights ever conducted by a commercial airliner, flying from Hong Kong to London the long way around the planet over the Pacific Ocean and North America. It demonstrated just how capable the aircraft had become. Then there was the cargo world. The 777 freighter became one of the most successful cargo aircraft ever developed. With global trade expanding rapidly, airlines and logistics companies needed efficient long-range cargo planes. The 777F provided exactly that. Even today, its presence in global cargo operations remains enormous. But despite its remarkable reputation, the 777 also became connected to some of aviation's most haunting moments. On January 17, 2008, British Airways Flight 38 crash approached London Heathrow after a long flight from Beijing. Suddenly, both engines lost thrust during final approach due to ice crystals affecting the fuel system. The aircraft descended dangerously short of the runway and crashed into the ground near the airport perimeter. Miraculously, there were no fatalities. Investigators praised the aircraft's structural strength and the crew's actions, but the incident shocked the aviation world. It was a reminder that even advanced aircraft could face unexpected dangers. Years later came another tragedy that stunned the world. On July 6, 2013, Asiana Airlines Flight 214 crashed while landing in San Francisco. The aircraft struck a seawall before crashing onto the runway. Images of the destroyed 777 spread globally within minutes. Yet even here, the aircraft demonstrated remarkable survivability. Many passengers survived an accident that could easily have been far worse. But nothing associated with the 777 became more mysterious than the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 disappearance. On March 8, 2014, the aircraft vanished during a flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. No distress call. No confirmed wreckage for years. The aircraft simply disappeared from radar, creating one of the greatest mysteries in aviation history. Search operations stretched across oceans. Investigators analyzed satellite data, debris, and possible flight paths. Yet even today, many questions remain unanswered. For millions of people, MH370 transformed the 777 from simply a modern airliner into part of an enduring global mystery. Only months later, another 777 tragedy shocked the world. Malaysia Airlines Flight 17 shootdown was shot down over eastern Ukraine during conflict in the region. The loss devastated families worldwide and highlighted how vulnerable civilian aviation could become during geopolitical tensions. Despite these tragedies, the 777 maintained one of the strongest safety reputations in aviation. Millions of passengers continued flying aboard the aircraft every year. Pilots respected it deeply. Many described it as one of the best aircraft Boeing had ever produced. Reliable, powerful, stable, and efficient, the aircraft became the backbone of countless airline fleets. As the years passed, Boeing continued improving the design. Newer versions like the 777X promised folding wingtips, greater efficiency, and even larger capacity. The aircraft evolved with changing technology while preserving the core philosophy that made the original successful. Even as newer aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner entered service, the 777 remained essential for high-capacity long-haul routes. Perhaps the greatest achievement of the 777 is not just its engineering, but how completely it changed airline strategy worldwide. Before the 777, long-haul travel often depended on giant aircraft connecting major hubs. After the 777, airlines gained flexibility. They could profitably operate direct flights between cities that previously could not support massive four-engine jets. This reshaped global travel patterns. Cities became more connected. Travel became more efficient. The world itself felt smaller. And in many ways, that is what defines truly world-changing aircraft. Not just speed, not just size, but impact. The 777 changed how airlines operated, how passengers traveled, and how engineers designed aircraft. It helped usher aviation into a new era where efficiency and reliability mattered more than sheer engine count. It proved that twin-engine aircraft could conquer the world's longest routes safely. It became the aircraft that quietly replaced giants. Today, whether carrying families across oceans, transporting cargo overnight between continents, or appearing at airports around the globe, the Boeing 777 continues to shape aviation every single day. Millions of passengers may never think about the engineering hidden beneath its wings or the revolution it created decades ago. To many travelers, it is simply another airplane waiting at the gate. But behind that familiar shape lies one of the most influential aircraft ever built. The Boeing 777 did not just change long-haul flying. It changed the future of aviation itself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to this channel for more.